There are three key ingredients for a circular business. It should engage in some form of circular value creation, it should make use of value propositions that enable circularity, and it should be embedded in a circular value network. For each of these three ingredients, a range of specific strategies exist from which you can choose to design a circular business model adapted to the context of your company. To help you with the design of a circular business model, we have created the Circulator, which can be found at circulator.eu. It is a web tool that allows you to explore circular strategies and to combine them according to your own preferences. If you click on the Strategies mixer, you will get a wheel of strategies. Here you can choose one strategy from each of the key ingredients. Let's add Optimize the utility rate of goods to the mix, and then Cost reduction, and then Value chain cooperation. Now we have a number of companies in the mix, and if we click the number, we will get a case study on each of the companies in the mix. For each combination that you select, you will get a number of existing business cases, and this way you can explore a vast variety of different businesses and find out how they manage to use circularity to build successful businesses.